Hi again, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Just have something interesting that I wanted to show you guys that has come up on WhatsApp, and this is nothing else but Meta AI. So if you've probably heard of ChatGPT, and it's been an amazing software for these past few years or months, because ChatGPT has come up with this technology of asking direct questions, and this software will actually give you an answer in a matter of seconds. So are these softwares taking away Google or not? And the simplest answer would be no, because Google is actually the base of these search engines. From what I've found and what I've realized is that Google cannot be taken out of the market. So now, leaving the ChatGPT alone, let's go back to WhatsApp and show you pretty much what I wanted to show you in this short video. Now, Meta AI has done this same thing on WhatsApp. So what you can do on WhatsApp, you can see this added feature right here, and make sure if you don't have these features, go on the Google Play Store, update your WhatsApp, and you'll be able to find these features right here that I'm showing you. Now if you come to WhatsApp, you'll find this feature right here, and on top of it you'll also have this Ask Meta AI or search. Now, to be believed, this is Google in WhatsApp, because you can literally ask this AI any question and it will give you an answer. Just like we have been doing with the ChatGPT 4, WhatsApp has added this amazing feature that you can ask Meta AI anything and it will literally give you an answer for everything, right? So right here, if you come to this Meta AI symbol and tap on it, it will open up this window. It's sort of like a new chat, and you will realize there are a lot of questions that you can ask this Meta AI and it will give you an answer in a matter of seconds. So these are imagine a gold boat, imagine a nice ghost, how do I tune my guitar, how to create a playlist. But just to show you an example, I'm not just going to consider these sample questions. I'm just going to ask Meta AI anything that I want. So let's say I'm bored and I want to ask anything. So what should I say? Say good morning. And later you can play with this and it will actually kill your time. It's just software like a human being, and you can just spend your time chatting with this bot and it will literally keep you company. If you're bored, if you had nothing to do, it will give you some nice company and while learning with it. So I say good morning, I say good morning, I hope you're having great start to your day. It actually knows that it's a morning because, as you can notice, just 4 minutes to 8 early in the morning. So how can I assist you today? Do you have any questions, tips you like to discuss, or perhaps a new game of 20 questions to play? No, I'm just from my bed and nothing going on. What do you think? So I'm just going to send this and see what it tells me. So, and it's typing, okay? A relaxing morning. Enjoying a slow start to the day can be lovely. It sounds like you're taking a moment to unwind and ease into the day. Sometimes we all need a break from the hustle and battles. Why not take this opportunity to do something you enjoy? You could read a book or article, listen to music or a podcast, take a short meditation or deep breathing exercise, guess out, blah 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 blah. So it actually gives you ideas. So what should I say? Let me ask, what is the best book like to read this early morning? So I want it to give me suggestions of the books that I could read this early morning. So let's see what it says. So this is something that you cannot get from Google, right? But these are the things that you can actually get from ChatGPT, and now they are inside WhatsApp. So here are some of the best books to read early in the morning. Why I Wake Up Early, by it's Mary Oliver's book of poetry and essays about waking up early in the morning. The 1,000 Mornings So it gives me a list of the books, and right here in the end, it gives us, the 6 books about the joy of waking up early in the morning. It actually gives us a link from where answers are coming from. So as you can see, they're actually coming from Google. So in brief, that's why I'm saying you cannot take Google out of the market, because these softwares, what they do, they scan Google in a matter of seconds and get the best answers for you and drop them right here. So let me say something. Okay, let's talk about money. Let's talk about money. Okay, let's talk about money. I just want the conversation to feel human, right? Let's talk about money. It's a vital part of our lives, and there is always more to learn and discuss. What aspects of money would you like to explore? Are you interested in this? Personal finance and budgeting, investing and wealth building strategies, managing debt and improving, No, I'm not actually interested in all that. So let me ask, can you tell me how I can make money in 2024, and actually how I can make money online in 2024 despite global competition. Okay, let me see what answers it gives me. Absolutely. Making money online in 2024 despite global competition requires creativity, hard work, and a willingness to learn and adapt. Here are some legitimate ways to consider. Number 1, to give us niche blogging. Focus on a specific area of expertise and build a loyal audience. So if you're blogging, definitely you would need to focus on a particular niche. Then it gives us affiliate marketing, selling digital products, freelancing, online tutoring, dropshipping, stock photography, influencer marketing, creating and selling an online course, YouTube AdSense, podcasting, creating a mobile app or a game, selling products on Amazon. That is definitely affiliate marketing. And creating an online community or membership sites, participating in online surveys. So these are the ideas that it gives us. So what should I say? Let me say, okay, how can I start in YouTube AdSense? So it will give you ideas of how you can make money in YouTube AdSense. And as you can see, it says create a YouTube channel, meet YouTube monetization requirements, that is 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours in the past 12 days. Then apply for YouTube pattern program, get approved, set your AdSense account, enable monetization on your videos, and promote your channel. As simple as that. These are the steps it gives you. So if you are looking for these answers on YouTube, on Google, it would literally take you some time to get such answers. But as you can see, chatting this bot, you'd get the answers that you need in a matter of seconds. So searching here is simple. So if you are learning anything from geography to chemistry to physics and math, you could literally learn from this software. So let me ask any learning question, maybe in physics. Okay, can you tell me and what should I ask? Okay, can you tell me the Newton's law of motion? Okay, Newton's law of motion. And let's see. So okay, and here are 3 laws of motions. 1, Newton's first law of motion. This law states that an object at rest will remain at rest, and an object in motion will continue moving with a constant velocity unless acted upon by an external force. This law is also known as the law of inertia. Okay, and the second law, this law states the force acting, and then it gives us also the third law and the link from where it is from. So this is it, guys. This is an amazing software that you would like to engage with in your daily activities. Get answers fast and keep your day moving smoothly. So this is it, guys. If you like the video, go ahead and hit the like button, subscribe to my channel, and I will see you in the next video. Bye bye.